I want to talk a little bit about the essay that you're about to launch into doing. I call this joining the conversation. Why? Because that's what you'll be doing. And we know in a conversation that somebody says something and then you add to it. You have your own example, you have your own illustration, you have your own similar thing. Otherwise, it's just two people talking back and forth, but not talking together. And when we have a conversation, we actually are talking together. First person says this, the second person adds to it. The first person adds to what the second person said, and back and forth. And that's exactly what we're doing in this essay. Let me walk you through the prompt for a little bit, because this is how I always have my prompts. Here's your project. Join an author's discussion by describing a personal connection and interaction with a specific claim or narrative in a text. You have an audience. You're writing for an interested audience that doesn't know anything about Amy Choi. So that's a weird thing. That's how this is different from a conversation that's back and forth. Is you're having a conversation with Choi, but you're having it for this audience that doesn't know anything. So you're going to have to talk about her part and then talk about your part, and you're going to be going back and forth from beginning to end. It's going to be about 1,000 words and a works cited page, and it's worth 200 out of 1,000 points. You're going to have a rough draft that's due on July 3rd, and you're going to write a letter to your peer reviewers, telling them, like what you like about your essay and what you think needs work and some things that you want them to focus on. And then you're going to read 2 other students' essays, and then you'll have your final draft. I'll let you read the rest of this on your own. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them of me in the reflection direction question at the end of the week.